boys and girls. It's Miss Barrow coming back at you this afternoon to talk about math. Now, Tuesday, we introduced you to something called snap cubes. 2 sets of 10, 2 towers of 10 that we were able to make patterns. We were able to make shapes. We were able to count one on one. We were even able to make some silly pictures out of them. And I made something for you today because you did an absolutely amazing job with your snap cubes. I made a letter A. Well, I'm going to introduce you to something new this afternoon. So we're leaving our snap cubes and we are going to talk about dot cubes. Now, you guys have seen dot cubes before. We see them in different types of games. Games like Yahtzee, games like Monopoly. Some of these games that you play have snap cubes. Take a look at your screen. There's different sizes, there's different shapes, there's different colors. Look at the green one. It has a dot cube inside of a bigger dot cube. We're going to use these in class a lot and do different things. Here are some more different dot cubes. Some of them are stacked, some of them are scattered. It doesn't matter how our dot cubes fall, it's all in how we use them. These are another tool that help us learn. They're not a toy. So when it comes to working with our snap cubes, we need to make sure we treat them with respect. They are a tool, not a toy. So I'm not going to stick them in my ears and see if I can hear something. I'm not going to stick them in my mouth and see how far I can spit them out because we don't put our tools inside of our mouths. Now, to safely roll our snap cube, you're going to hold your hand out flat. Go ahead and hold your hand out flat. You're going to put the snap cube in the middle of it, and you were given 2, so I'm going to put 2 in there to show you what to do. And if you cover it over like you're hiding a bug to scare somebody, you can't see your snap cubes. But if you shake your hands, you're able to shake up your snap cubes to see the different dots on your snap cube. I'm showing you 3 dots. That 3 dots makes the same number as the number 3. So 3 dots is the same thing as the number 3. I can do something better. I can take my dot cube and play a little game. And that's what we're going to do tonight. Now, this basket is another way that you can shake your snap or dot cube so that it's not flying all over the place, going rolling across the floor, and possibly getting in your dog's mouth because we don't want that to happen. Or even your kitty thinking it's a play toy. This person put it in a basket. So just like putting it in your hand safely, they're shaking it inside of their basket. Each of the dots on the snap cube represent a number. All dot cubes have 6 sides. It is called a cube. 4 around the outside, 1 on the top, and 1 on the bottom. When we talk about our 3D shapes, probably in November and December, we're going to talk more about a cube, but this is why it's called a dot cube. It's a cube that has dots on it. Here's the number 1. Turn it for the number 2. Flip it over for the number 3. Spin it around for the number 4. 5 is right next to it. And whoops, 6 is on the bottom. So all of our sides have a dot on that, and that dot represents a number. So we're going to play a little game this afternoon with our dot cubes, and it's using a dot cube and our snap cubes that we were just using. So I'm going to unsnap all of my snap cubes in front of me. And I'm going to show you what I'm working with. Oh, I hope you can see that. Oh, maybe you cannot. Nope, maybe not. Okay, that's fine. We can wing it without it. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to safely place my dot cube in my hand, and I'm just going to use 1 dot cube, and I'm going to cup it like I'm hiding a bug, and I'm going to shake, 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 and the number that's facing you is the number 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 4 snap cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've made a tower of 4 that matches the number of 4 on my dot cube. Let's do that again. I'm going to take my dot cube, place it safely in my hand, hide it like a bug, shake, 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 and the number popping out is a number 1. That's not too hard at all. I can hold up one snap cube to match the 1 dot on my dot cube. Let's try one more time. Safely putting it in my hand, hiding it like a bug, shake, 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 and I've got the number 2. A little less fun, but that's okay. We're going to stack them and count them. 1, 2. When we count our snap cubes, we always count them from the bottom so I don't lose track in my head. I can use my fingers and climb my tower, or I can just point to them. Being this is a small tower, I'm just going to point. 1, 2. Count with me. 1, 2. And it's going to match the 2 on your dot cube. Why don't you guys continue to play with your parents and see who can have the most snap cubes in their tower? Have a great afternoon, boys and girls.